Sup Airsoft folks. On this clip, you will see my first night game EXP. So please bear with me as I did a lot of mistakes throughout the game. Nevertheless, I had so much fun and there's a lot of actions. So enjoy.
Mer, sa tunnel ah. Pre, tunnel. Luis, tunnel.
First mistake was my head cam. It wasn't on the right settings. Although it's responsive to low light environment, it was not very smooth. I tried to repair them, but you're gonna see a lot of my ugly face. So bear with me.
Enemy spotted.
Sa plywood, pre. Hit na. Hit na yung sa plywood ah. Siyempre wala dito sa taas ah. Let's go!
This was the third game. I forgot to turn on my GoPro in the second game. It was a shame. There was a lot of actions there. I hate it.
Sa taas. Nang tosang sa tunnel. Baba. Ito. Press, sa press mo, tatabo. Last, tatakbo ko sa cross.
Ano yung press ko?
Yung cross.
Sige.
Sa kaliwa, tatakbo ko sa kanan.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
Wala na. Kuha na. Ah.
Sa kaliwa.
Nasa tower.
Ito yung kaliwa.
Tower ah. Takbo.
This was the most embarrassing highlight of the night.
Pre! Pre, hit ka na! Di na kita binaril, pre!
Yes, I did a nonsense hit calling to my opponent. Hit calling is prohibited on this game site unless you're doing a mercy kill or a knife kill. But I am too far away from that. The last time I checked, my position from the opponent's position is estimated 10 to 12 meters. So it was not under the minimum engagement rule. So what I did was wrong. I don't know what happened to my mind that night. Maybe I was just feeling too merciful. Or maybe I'm just a certified noob.
Pre!
I am Groot.
Oh, hit na! Hit na sa tower. Sino pa? Meron doon sa, sa spindle bakal. Takbo, Las. Takbo. Meron pa, nasa spindle na bakal saka sa drum na green, pre. Hit! Ha?
Saan yun?
Hindi ko alam, nandun yata.
Dali ko nung dito.
Nadali mo?
Meron pa isa dito, bro.
Ha?
Dalawa sila.
Meron pa?
O yung isa lumabas, dinalito ka rin, kakampi na.
Wala na?
Meron pa dito isa.
Nakuha ka?
Dalawa sila eh. Ito yung malaki.
And this is game 4. For the third time around, I forgot to turn on my GoPro and my headcam. Shame. The goal of this game is to capture the flag of the enemy and bring that flag to the respawn area. We were halfway in the course when we got pinned down in the middle. I needed to penetrate to get that dude that had an epic hiding spot in the respawn area. Let's see how it goes.
Tatakbo sa wall. 1, 2, 3, go!
Gentlemen, we got him.
So I'm gonna try to give cover to my teammates so they can run towards to the goal. And they did it.
Nice one, Roger. Nice one. Uy! Sabi na tao yun eh.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Meron pa.
That's about it, folks. If you like this video, hit that like button. But if you got some comments for my mess up, leave your comment down below. Till next time, stay safe and have fun.